Thank you for visiting our website. This is Anish Shah with QC Training Services. I invite you to sign up for our weekly drawing and win a set of GD&T training materials. This package includes Fundamentals of GD&T, 4th edition book authored by a GD&T professional and QC Training Services founder Dan Medford. The accompanying exercise workbook engages the learner and provides tools for direct application and use. Also, the 3 charts that summarize terms, definitions, and rules for each of the 14 GD&T symbols and can be used for ready reference. These are foundational materials for GD&T fundamentals. As you know, in this technically advanced manufacturing world, there is often a challenge of correct use of GD&T. Incorrect usage and misinterpreted prints are a huge cost across the organization and its suppliers. We hope you can begin your GD&T learning journey by winning this package. However, if you can't wait, it can be purchased by clicking on the link below. These materials are the basis of our virtual, online, and public courses. Hope to connect with you there. Call or email me with questions. Thank you for listening.